Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your custom audio to Roblox. So all you need to do, just go and open a browser, go to the URL section, and here you'll have to type create.roblox.com. Hit the enter button, you should find yourself here. On this list panel, click on Creations. Right here, go and click on Development Items, then click on Audio. So what you'll have to know is you can upload one. The formats are those, and the max size should be 20 megabytes or lower. So click on Upload Assets, and here you'll have to choose audio, and here you'll have to upload your audio recording. So you can just go and upload your custom ones. Just look for it. For me, I don't have any, so you just go and record one right now. So I'm going to the sound recorder, and at the moment, it gets it in a format that I don't want. So I'm just going to click on Settings right here, and recording format, I'm just going to choose MP3 as an example. You can choose even the WAV, it's also good, but for me I'll just choose MP3. So I'm just going to this, and here I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to record something. So it will not record anything because I'm using this mic to record this video, so that's fine for me. I want it like that. So all I need to do, just go here, click on refresh. I don't care. I'm just going to right click on show in folder. So okay, I have this .mp3, that's good for me. And all I need to do, just click on upload right now, click on my document. Normally it should be right here, and here we are. I find it, I can just go and upload it. The name, for me, I'm just going to list it as it is, recording, and you can add any description that you want. So I'm just going to type description for you, change the name and description however you want. So click on upload, and here you are. You uploaded your audio to Roblox. Here is it right here. As you can see, you can just go here and click on copy assets ID, open assets details, archive it, and you should be good to go. You can even now test it in Roblox Studio as an example. And yeah, so that should be it for me in this video. And of course, if you get any errors, probably the audio is too large or it's not allowed because you have some copyrighted, an example, music in the audio or something like that. Maybe the upload stuck, so try .agg or .mp3 or one of the formats right here. The safest, I guess, is .ogg, and maybe there's no sound in the game once you add it to your Roblox Studio. So maybe you want to set play or remove to false and manually trigger it on play as an example. That's for people who create, they will understand what I'm saying. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.